Come and prep for an Acrygel fill with me. So you're going to start by reducing the bulk. I'm using the coarse bit here from Hayley Winder. Fantastic for getting through gel, really gets through it quickly. Then you're going to reduce the length of the nail. So you'll see there I've just taken that down a little bit just to remove the kind of the growth and a bit of extra. Then I'm going to go in and do my cuticle prep. Once I'm doing my cuticle prep, I'll start off by using the tiny bit from Katie Barnes. Now this, I'll just literally go around on reverse, all the way around the cuticle. I'm cleaning any non-living tissue off the nail plate, and I'm just making sure that's nice and clear because obviously we don't want any lifting. If you are enjoying this, please do make sure you drop us a like and a follow because we're dropping new content all the time. Once you've done that, you're going to go in with a round bit, like I'm doing here. Again, this one's from Hayley Winder, and I'm literally just going over the cuticle. I'm not really touching the nail plate there at all, and I'm just making that nice and smooth as possible. Now, I do it this way because it means that any trimming or nipping that I need to do with my cuticle scissors is minimal. It'll basically, this exfoliates everything off, so it's just a much easier process. So you'll see there, when I'm nipping there, it's just the tiniest bit of white non-living tissue that's coming off. It just makes it a much more simple process. Then once I've done that, I'm going to go in with the mini sanding band. Again, this is from Katie Barnes. And what you'll do is you will just very lightly go over any exposed nail plate there. And I just like to blend that in a little bit. This is a 240 grit. It's a really low grit. It's not going to cause any damage. You can do more damage with a hand file, in all honesty. And I've got my RPMs on somewhere between 1 and 3. So I'm literally just taking off the shine and making just some very light indentations in the nail plate, just so we can make sure that product adheres really well. Once I've done that, I try and shape the edge as much, the free edge as much as possible. I'm doing an almond shape here. And then once I've done that, I will cleanse it and then I'll dehydrate. I use an alcohol and acetone mix, and then I go in with my Young Nails Protein Bond, or I'll go in with the matching primer for that system. I hope that helps, and do keep an eye out because we've got part 2 coming soon where I'm going to show you how I do the actual Acrygel infill. Thanks for watching.